Morning, eighth graders. Here we go, another week as we start to head towards our end of the school year. But let's start with our folder for the week of April 22nd through the 28th. So I'm going to start with our weekly checklist. Here we go. As it pulls up here and opens up for us, again, remember this should be a notability. All right, so here's our plan for Thursday. So today you're going to continue working on your famine newsletter. All right, many of you started this on Tuesday of last week if Schoology was working. All right, a few days ago I know it was having some problems. If you are finished with this, please have a friend revise your writing. All right, have them look over for your punctuation, your grammar, make sure your pictures make some sense. All right, newsletter is due on April 29th, which is next Thursday. All right, so I'm giving you lots of time with it. All right. Do not wait until the last minute to do the newsletter. The reason I say that is on the 30th of next week, you will have an Africa test. Tomorrow is Friday. If you haven't finished the newsletter, I would get that done. I would submit it, and I would not worry about it anymore. And you're going to be working on the Africa Test study guide. We do have an Africa test coming up, and so the study guide is something you're going to want to be working on, and that's due the day of the test on Friday. Monday, continue with that. All right, get that study guide done. Also on Monday, if you finish that, which you should if you're using your class time, we are going to start our next map, all right, which is going to be the Asia map. And just like the Africa one, there is a task sheet that helps guide you along. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I'll give you the date for the quiz. Next Tuesday is MCA day. All right, classes are only about 20 minutes long, so you'll be working on your test study guide or the Asia map. And then, of course, next Wednesday is your catch-up day. So, with that said, have a wonderful week, and as always, email me or ask me with any questions you may have.